What's up, gang? It's your boy Charger17 3.0 coming at you guys with another great video today. As you see, it's nice and sunny out here. And you know what that sun comes with? Heat, y'all. Heat. Heat. Yes, your boys are going to be out here. Whatever this video is going to bring me, I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. You will see once the camera start rolling. Will I be talking or just rolling the camera? I have no idea. No idea. But with that said, we're going to get this video started. As usual, how I like to start all my videos, it is going to be some type warm start. Warm start. With that said, I'm about to roll this video. You already know, hit that like, subscribe for all my new ones. And my existing ones is still here, rolling with your boy. Appreciate all of you guys. All of you guys. I gotta say that every time I start a video. Every time. Because without you guys, I won't really want to record. But it is fun recording, just the editing part. You all know that. So other than that, I check you guys when this camera come back on. You already know. Peace, everybody. Bye. Yo, gang, I'm back on the camp. What you say? What you say? And yo, what you guys about to see is, I'm gonna call this video Nothing to Record or Reviews. That's what I'm about to call this video. Nothing to Record or Reviews. 2021, baby. And yeah, what you guys about to see is like dealerships around here don't got nothing really on their lot. Was that the last video I just did, the review on the 2021 Jeep Cherokee? That thing's nice, so go check that one out. That's one of my last videos I just made, so go check that out. But yeah, what you guys really about to see right now is stuff that we ain't really getting at. When they get sun, is a couple cars here and there, but it's like, you know, if I get to the dealership before they sell them, if not, I just gotta wait for the, yo, these people be trying weird. I just gotta wait for them to get something, you know, enough of them. Because usually people be waiting for their cars and have orders waiting and stuff. Yo, look at this right here, y'all. Look at that right there. SBJ. And the thing's sitting out there chilling. Hopefully I got that on cam. But yeah, ain't nothing out there really. Nothing. It's crazy. Y'all already know what they're waiting for, that trip. Majority of them. And some people waiting months for their cars. I could have been one if I sold this one. But you know, I ain't. Oh, I got a video for that. I forgot all about that video. I ain't forget. I just be moving and grooving. Moving and grooving. Moving and grooving. Here's something, guys. Here's something. Here's something, guys. That's what we're doing out here. Yo, I ain't even check was it a 5-0 around, but I got things to make me check and stuff. So yeah, so what you guys about to see, just like I said, pretty much nothing on the dealership's floors. You know, they're big parking lots. They turn their cars sideways to make it look like they got a lot of room. And that's about it. I'm gonna just let this video roll so you guys see what I'm talking about and enjoy that video, and hopefully whatever else I keep putting out. Other than that, enjoy them all. Go back if you didn't see all of them. See how from the beginning, how I started and how I am now. You will notice the difference on me recording and stuff. People hair flying in the air and shit and stuff. Yeah, so you see that. I'm just cruising in through the neighborhood. through people's neighborhoods and stuff, through the areas. Pretty much promoting myself out here in the streets all day, every day. Yeah, other than that, guys, this is your boy Charger 17 3.0 coming at you. The backseat rider. He's not out today with me. He's decided to be in the crib because he stayed up. I mean, he ain't stay up. He woke up and then decided to stay up. And then talking about, oh, it's daylight. Boy, you are nuts for staying up. So you know what that means? He was asleep. He was asleep. He was asleep. Yeah, he was asleep. So with that said, we out. We out. To the next vlog. Whatever else I put out, you guys enjoy it. Because it's warm out here. And you know, I already know I'm making these videos. You already know. Is I'm close up? Close up. Be too close to y'all. Yeah. We out. I'm out here cruising. Yeah, I'm in that video. I'm in the video, y'all. Because you know why? I'm in it. Ain't nothing else to say. But peace to y'all guys. And again, for all my new subscribers, appreciate you guys. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. And all my existing subscribers and stuff. Continue watching the video. Hold on. Oh yeah. Enjoy this video, y'all. There's traffic out here, so I gotta stop recording. I gotta focus on the road.